Hello friends, welcome to the Mavi Investor Educational Video Series. How are you doing? I hope you're having good time in the markets. Here I'm back again with analysis of couple of stocks for you. Always remember these are not stock tips. This is presented only for the purpose of learning for the people, learning the technical analysis side of things. Okay, so it's, I mean, if you find it good, you can buy it, but the objective of this video is not to give stock tips. Okay, but I can tell you that I am trading on these stocks. That much I can tell you. Okay, so let's see. We have chosen this month GSPL, Gujarat State Petronet Limited, and Team Lead Services. Let's look at the chart straight away. No time wasting. Okay, so we have GSPL chart. Yes, bigger picture, weekly chart, and this is our little bit longer term trade. Okay, so weekly chart, long term trend upward, and then stopped from January 2020 till February 2021. So more than a year, it consolidated. It is consolidating here in the form of a, what pattern this is? Symmetrical triangle, perfect symmetrical triangle pattern, right? And then it has broken out here. This weekly chart, I usually refer to the daily chart for checking the volume during the breakout, but even on weekly you can see these three big volume towers, these three, right? Now if you convert this to daily, we still have, now you will realize how long this consolidation is, right? Okay, and now you see when it broke out the volume, even before that, when it broke out, just after that, and even again later on there was a gap up. This gap up zone is held decently, and now it is going up. So all looks good. Big consolidation. 1 year is long time consolidation, and after that a chart can have pretty much a lot of power to take the price up. Okay, so volume support pattern, everything is there. Good breakout is done, testing is done. Now if you buy, it is, you know, after the breakout, testing is done of the support levels, and it is resuming the trends. That's very good time to buy. And we could have bought 3-4 days earlier as well, maybe a week earlier as well, but even now it's not too late. As I said, it's not very, it's not 1-2 months kind of trade. You can keep it longer, and that's why this is selected for that purpose, right? Many people, you know, wonder, some of you have asked also, why, you know, we don't use any indicator in this discussion. Okay, let me tell you very simple thing. Charts talk to yourself by themselves. If you just see the price chart and volume, you don't need anything else, but of course you need years of practice, right? So if you get good in recognizing the patterns and marry it with the volume pattern, when volume is supporting, when volume is not supporting, when is the price breaking out, is the volume supporting the breakout zone, all that thing, if you can marry and stitch it together, you don't need anything else. What are indicators? Indicators are just some, you know, some guys thought some mathematical formula will help me in identifying the dips, identifying the breakouts, identifying the good trends. Okay, if I can do this just by looking at price and volume chart, you know, these patterns are very powerful. There are lots of emotional, you know, reasons behind why the patterns work. You can study the details, but if you get good in patterns, you don't need any indicators. Okay, but if you are not, then you need the help of indicators. I'm not saying indicators don't work, but indicators alone, single-handedly, one indicator will never work. Okay, so you'll have to find lots of combinations, what works, what doesn't work, and after all, they are just mathematical calculation. Here you can see all the sentiments, what is happening, emotions of people, emotions of the bulls and bears, all the participants involved here. And when big guys are coming, because retail or small guys make money by following the big guys, that's what you have to do. Okay, so that is why we have chosen, we don't use indicators so much, because, you know, it is enough for me to understand the chart based on the patterns, and that's the best way if one knows it, right? If you don't, then you need more tools. Anyway, so that was GSPL. The other one is team lease. Okay, this is little bit short to medium term kind of trade, so our daily chart is enough. Anyway, it's uptrending, and in this uptrend it has again consolidated. Okay, first of all, team lease had broken out earlier also. Here also it had the same pattern. Okay, okay, so this one round breakout happened with very good volume, and it's in after that breakout it actually didn't, it jumped one round, but not as well as you would expect. Immediately it has consolidated, right? So I would expect this to continue the trend. This after this consolidation, now it again has same ascending triangle consolidation. During the consolidation you should see the volume patterns, they are drying down, especially towards the second half of the pattern. Volume should dry down, and when it tries to go up, break out, it should start to pick up again, which is what is happening in the last couple of days, right? So this is a good, we are buying in anticipation of this breakout. It has not really completely broken out, little bit, but I would love to see more jump in the price to say that it has broken out. But this is more of an anticipation of the current trend in this stock, of the current trend of the market, sectoral trend of the IT and IT services. Okay, team lease provides I think resource services to the IT sector. So it's a good sectoral bet as well, as the sector is trending just before the earnings season. So overall everything ties in, so you should not hesitate to ride this short to medium term journey, 1 to 2 months. All right, so that's team lease, and that is all for now for these two stocks. And if you want to understand the overall market conditions based on which we decide on sectors or stocks to choose, overall market condition, we have already, we have a separate video for analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty. You can have a look. If you want to know about our stock picks, we publish our monthly journal Stock Snehita, and if you want to visit, we can visit our website www.mavinvestor.com. Okay, so that is all for today. Thank you, and happy trading. Bye bye.